Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video, I'll be sharing makeup products under rupees 500. Previously, I had shared products under rupees 1000, so I will link that video in for you as well. But today's video is all about products strictly under rupees 500. In case you're a beginner and don't want to invest in expensive makeup products, this video will be really helpful because all the products that I've picked up, I've made sure that all of these things I personally use and all of them are like good in quality. Not just price, but the quality is also great. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's get started. Starting off with some base products, I've got a primer for you guys from Lakme Absolute. This is how it looks like. It's actually the bigger variant, but the smaller one is strictly under rupees 500. So just for trying out, you can pick up that one. And in case you're a beginner and you struggle to get that even flawless base, primers are something you should definitely try out because they blur out all your pores and give you that flawless even skin tone. Next, I've got a foundation, and again from Lakme. This is how it looks like. It's the 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation and I'm in the shade Neutral Honey. So in case you're around my skin tone, you can try out this shade. The only problem with this foundation is that it takes a lot of time to blend into your skin. After you're done with your base, it seems like it's not your shade. It's lighter than your skin tone, but with the course of time, it will settle down into your skin and it will look like your skin. It's a flawless full coverage foundation and I think best buy under rupees 500. Next, I've got a highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is how it looks like. It's a liquid highlighter, Hello Halo liquid highlighter. I really like the name, and it is one of those beaming highlighters. I'll just show you the swatch. So this is how it looks like. With a very little usage, you can get a lot of glow. So if you're doing any kind of party makeup, this is absolutely stunning. And also you can mix it with your foundation to get that dewy finish, or otherwise you can use it on your high points. So an affordable and a best option under rupees 500. Next, I've got a couple of eye products, starting from liquid eyeshadows from Swiss Beauty. If you have been following me, you know how much I love these. I've got two shades. I think it's 01 and 03. I will mention it in the description box. They are, I think, for rupees 199 or 299. I'm not sure. Again, I'll insert it on the screen. So this is how it looks like. It is just stunning. If you want those glitter eye makeup, this is something you should definitely try. It's one of my favorite, and of course so affordable and very easy to work with. Next, obviously this had to come in this video, Lakme's Insta Liner. This is around 100 rupees, and again a stunning eyeliner. It's a liquid liner. It takes a little bit of time to dry out, but definitely so affordable and so good. So again, if you're a beginner, try using this. I've got a kajal slash eyeliner from Swiss Beauty, and this is just for rupees 49. It's in blue color. There are a lot of shades, and you can also use this like an eyeshadow. So just for rupees 49, and if you're into those colored looks, I think this is a great option because they have a lot of colors available. And I myself have this blue and green and even black, so you can try this out. It's really good, glides on very smoothly, and also is very pigmented. I've got a lipstick. This is one of my most favorite, and just for rupees 400. And this is the Sugar's Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade 01. You have seen me wearing this a lot of times if you have been following me. It's a completely smudge proof and transfer proof. It's a liquid matte lipstick, so if you're into liquid matte lipsticks and you want something very long lasting, this is something you should definitely try. So yeah, these were all the products under rupees 500. All of these products I personally love and I use them on a regular basis. Also in terms of quality, quantity and price, I think all of these are like amazing. So let me know which one is your favorite product in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video, and I will see you in my next video.